Another severe thunderstorm warning from my
National Weather
county.
Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockdale County in north-central Georgia until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
No, it's just
At
for
5:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lakeview Estates, or over Conyers, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Conyers, Lakeview Estates, Georgia International Horse Park, Millstead, Magnet and Richardson Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm.
I'm not finished recording.